I hit this issue today, and here's the quick fix that solved it. Changing your password on the Pinterest app is straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Step 1. Open the Pinterest app. Launch the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account before proceeding. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage your account settings. Step 3. Go to Settings. Look for the Settings gear icon in the top right corner of your profile page and tap on it. This will open the Settings menu where you can find the Password option. Step 4. Select Change Password. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Change Password option. Tap on it to proceed with updating your password. Step 5. Enter your new password. Follow the prompts to enter your current password and then your new password. Make sure your new password is strong and unique. After entering it, tap Save to confirm the change. Remember, if you forget your current password, you can reset it using the Forgot Password link on the login screen. Happy pinning!